Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a authentic rasam powder. Ingredients for this are 1 full bowl of coriander seeds. 1 bowl of coriander seeds, we have to take 2 bowl of dry chilies. That is around 100 grams I have taken. I have taken 2 varieties of dry chilies, one for color and one for spiciness. So 1:2. 1 coriander seeds, 2 mirchis, dry chilies, that is quarter cup of mustard seeds, quarter cup of pepper seeds, quarter cup of fenugreek seeds. This amount of hing, you better take solid form of hing so that you can fry it thoroughly and powder. 3/4 cup of jeera seeds, cumin seeds, 1 cup of coriander seeds. Curry leaves. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan or kadai. Let it get heated. Now we will start frying the ingredients. We have to fry the ingredients one by one. We have to fry it separately. Now coriander seeds are done. This is enough. You are getting a nice aroma. At this stage you take it out from the stove. Next we will fry the methi seeds. Now this is also done. It should become light brown color. Now let's fry cumin seeds. Now this is also done. We will take it into a plate. Now we will fry the mustard seeds. Now this is also done. We will take it out. Now we will fry the dry chilies. Always fry the dry chilies with its stem so that the chili seeds will not come outside. If the chili seeds come out now, it will burn and give a bad aroma. So better fry it with stem and then you remove the stem and grind it. Now the chilies have become crisp. We will take it out from the stove. We will fry the another variety of chilies until it become crisp. Now this is also done. We will take it out from the flame. Now while frying the curry leaves, you add the pepper also so that curry leaves will not burn. It will fry uniformly. Whenever you are frying curry leaves and pepper for any sambar powder or rasam powder, you follow this tip. Both will get fried uniformly. Now both have fried evenly. See, curry leaves and pepper have fried evenly. It's perfectly done. Finally we will fry the hing. Now it has done. We will take it out from the flame. I have taken all the ingredient in a plate so that it get cooled and then we will grind it to a powder. Now the ingredients are cooled. We will take this in a mixer jar and grind it. Add little by little so that all the ingredients will mix thoroughly. First I will grind this and then we will add the remaining one. I have grinded it coarsely. We will add remaining one in this itself and then we will grind and show. Now I have grinded all the ingredients to a powder. Now the rasam powder is ready. This can be used in gojjavalakki and different dishes. We can use it. We can use this for curries also. Dry curries we can use it. It's actually multi-purpose powder. So the authentic rasam powder is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Please try the recipe and put a comment in my comment box in my YouTube channel. Thank you.